Welcome. In this tutorial, we will write a JavaScript program that uses a for loop to check whether each number from 0 to 15 is odd or even. This is a great way to understand for loops and conditionals in JavaScript. We'll display the results using console.log. Let's jump right into it. We'll iterate from 0 to 15 and use an if-else block to determine if a number is even or odd. If a number divides by 2 with no remainder, it is even. Otherwise, it is odd. We'll print the results to the console. Let's dive into the code. We use a for loop to iterate from 0 to 15. Inside the loop, we check if the number is 0. This is treated as even. If it is not 0, we check if it is divisible by 2. Otherwise, it is odd. We print the result using console.log. We initialize x at 0 and increment it until 15. Each time through the loop, we test for 0 as a special case. Otherwise, we use modulo division to determine even or odd. The result is printed to the console. Let's walk through some outputs. 0 is even, 1 is odd, 2 is even, and so on. This pattern repeats and through to 15. It is a clear demonstration of how this program works. Determining whether numbers are odd or even is a fundamental skill in programming. It is using logic puzzles, games, and even input validation. This program also makes a great coding interview question. Let's wrap it up with a quick summary. We've built a JavaScript function to check whether numbers from 0 to 15 are odd or even. This exercise reinforced our understanding of for loops and conditionals. Try it with different ranges and see how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.